Well, welcome back to What Would Orina Say. I'm your host, Orina Ondiri, and today's hot seat question is one we've all had since we were kids. Is school really the key to success, or is it just about who you know? Let's break it down. We all grew up chanting, education is the key to success, and we believed it, by the way, my friends. But the way life is set up, sometimes you finish school, you polish your CV or credentials, and then you discover the lock has already been changed. Oh, change the lock. Now listen, education is powerful, by the way. It shapes your mind, it gives you discipline, and teaches you how to think. But connections, relationships, those are the spare keys. One phone call, one introduction, one network can get you into rooms your degree alone could not. So let's be honest. We all know that person with 3 degrees is still hustling for a job. And we all know that other person who barely finished school but knew the right people, and now they are running a whole company. But here's my take. It is not either or. True success is the combo. What do you mean, mtangazaji? I mean, school gives you knowledge, but networking gives you opportunities. So if you only have education but no relationships, you might remain in the waiting room forever. If you only have connections but no skills, one day you'll be exposed. So the wisdom is this: don't just study for papers, study to add value. And don't just chase friends for favors. I need a favor. Build relationships that grow everyone. That is the key to lasting success. I also want to give a shout out to my audience. Remember yesterday I asked you a short question: if you should help your family first and invest in yourself. One fan commented like this: I will invest in myself so that tomorrow I can help family without begging from them. Oh, wow. Without begging rent from them. That's what I call love with wisdom. Yes, good. So my people, what do you think? Is school still the master key, or is success all about who you know? Drop your comments below, and the funniest or sharpest reply, as usual, gets featured tomorrow. This is What Will Orina Say, where the hot seat meets the talk. Like, share, and tag that one friend who swore a degree will make them a billionaire by the year 2025. Are they billionaires now? I don't know. You know. Peace. Adios. Orina Ondiri. What will Orina Say?